In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the vidIQ extension if it's not working on YouTube. If you're finding yourself in a bit of a bind with vidIQ not functioning as it should, don't worry. I've got you covered. Together, we'll walk through a series of straightforward steps that should have you back on track in no time. First off, let's ensure that you have the vidIQ extension installed and that it's up to date. This might seem basic, but it's essential. Head over to the Chrome Web Store, find the vidIQ extension, and verify you're running the latest version. Updates can resolve known bugs and improve performance, so keeping your extensions current is always a good practice. Once you've confirmed the extension is updated, make sure you're signed in to vidIQ. But here's the important part. Ensure you're using the same browser account that's linked with your YouTube channel. This is crucial because mismatched accounts can lead to connectivity issues and prevent the extension from functioning properly. Now, let's try refreshing YouTube or restarting your browser. A quick refresh or reboot can often resolve minor glitches that might be preventing the extension from working correctly. It's a simple yet effective step that can sometimes do the trick. If refreshing didn't resolve the issue, it's time to adjust the Chrome settings directly. Navigate to Chrome Settings, then find Extensions. Here, toggle the vidIQ extension off, wait a moment, and turn it back on. Once you've done that, head back to YouTube and reload the page. This process essentially restarts the extension, which can help clear up any minor technical hiccups. Still no luck? Let's move on to clearing your browser cache and cookies. With Chrome, this is a straightforward process, but it might vary slightly depending on your system. Clearing the cache can remove any outdated files or settings that are interfering with the extension's operation. After clearing, ensure you restart Chrome to fully implement these changes. If these steps still haven't solved the problem, it might be necessary to remove vidIQ from Chrome completely and then reinstall it. Sometimes a fresh installation is required to clear up lingering issues that other methods haven't resolved. Remember, vidIQ extensions are designed for desktop browsers. If you're on a mobile device, that could be why it's not working as expected. Double-check that you're on a desktop for the best compatibility. As a last resort, if the issue persists, visit vidIQ.com, navigate to the Help section, and reach out through Contact Support. When sending your report, include details about your browser and system configuration. This information can significantly aid support staff in diagnosing and solving your issue. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any issues with the vidIQ extension. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your extension back up and running smoothly.